So in the last post, we spoke about what the client can expect. Now the last third email is all about the care and final touches. And this email it's with immense pleasure that we announce the completion of staging process at your home. This space has been thoughtfully transformed into a vision of elegance that will surely capture the hearts of potential buyers. Then we continue. As you admire the newly staged rooms, we'd like to offer some reminders. So security, while our inventory is insured, we kindly ask you and the real estate agent to ensure the premises are secure at all times. We then also, and this was a big pain for me, we now used to stage property as sun protection to prevent fading, keep curtains closed during sunny hours in rooms with direct sunlight on our products. Then number 3, accessories storage. When there are no open homes, store items like cushions and accessories indoors to protect them. Number 4 is pet consideration. Please keep a watchful eye on your to prevent any accidental damages. Linen usage, our bedding is for staging only, so kindly remove them during the week if this is obviously an occupied property. And then for your convenience, we've attached images to guide you on how to create the perfectly staged bed, because especially if this is an occupied property, people will still use their beds, and if you don't give them images, they will not be able to stage the bed or style the bed correctly again. So that's just another. And look, and these are just all ideas. You can recreate it and do it as you wish and wherever things you want to add. But this is just to guide you. And then lastly, we're here to address any queries or concerns. Thank you for entrusting us, and then the business name, etc.